and welcome. Today is our Boxycharm weekly update. We're going to talk about our base premium boxes for November, as well as a sneak peek that we are hearing and seeing about for December BoxyLuxe. Super excited to talk about everything with you guys. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. We run on a lot of caffeine. I don't want to hear about it because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. And if you can't leave a nice comment, y'all don't comment. It's that simple. We are coming into the holidays, and I swear it's like somebody pulled a trigger in the comment section. Dang. Mama didn't raise me like that, just saying. Anyways, welcome over here. Like I said, we're going to talk about Boxycharm. This is your weekly update of things you can expect and one particular item, actually two, three, heck, I don't know. There's a lot of things I'm excited to talk to you guys about today. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so like I said, we're going to talk about the Boxycharm base box for November, as well as the Boxycharm premium box, the choices, some spoilers, everything. And by the time I get this video done, edited, uploaded, and all of that, I'm sure there's going to be more spoilers that we are going to hear about, because that's how it is. But don't worry, your girl will be back with some more information as soon as I get it. Okay, so starting off with choices, the first choice that we had is by Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. This came in multiple shades. It does have a retail value of $24, and I'm like 99.99% sure that is what I ended up choosing. I want to say I went with the lightest shade. You guys, I talked about it in another video that I received the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Gel brow gel, and I flippin' love it. And the tip and trick that I can offer you guys, or want to offer you guys, is going with a lighter shade. Like, I darken everything in with a dark pencil, then I go back in with the shade Haze, and I like get that 3D dimension to my brows, and I love it. Because if you guys don't know, I have thyroid issues, so this whole middle to outward part of my brow is like MIA. So I found like this seems to really help make things look a bit fuller. So I did the same thing with choosing this Benefit brow gel, as I went with a really light shade, so when this runs out, I'll have backup. So, and I want to say this is actually available in add-ons. Don't know if add-ons is still available when this video goes up, but you could get backup as well. The next choice that we had was the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara in Black. Now, I personally stay away from waterproof mascaras. However, I will say, reading the ingredients that was in this Kush mascara, it does sound like it's not going to be one of those waterproof mascaras that end up drying out your lashes. But for me personally, I just don't take chances. I just stick with a regular type of mascara, because like I said, thyroid issues, I'm not trying to get my lashes to fall out like my brows did, you know what I mean? So anyways, again, this was an item that we are seeing in add-ons. Last but not least, and I picked this item up in add-ons, is by Jouer. This is the Essential Lip Enhancer with a retail value of $17. You guys, this has like a plumping, I think, benefit, it said, to it, where it helps to make the lines in your lips less noticeable, and it's definitely very, very hydrating. Now, there's no type of tingling or anything like that, so it's not one of those like burning or pepperminty type of lip balms or glosses or anything like that. It's just very comfortable, and it's very hydrating. I don't know if I've necessarily seen the benefits of my lines decreasing, but either way, this was an add-on and I did pick it up. It does have a retail value of $17. Now, moving on to another spoiler we are seeing for the base box, and this is by Natasha Denona. Now, if you guys remember, I started talking about in another sneak peek spoiler, how we were seeing a Natasha Denona 5-pan palette in the background of some of Joe's videos, like his lives and things. And honestly, I kind of was starting to think it was going to be a mini palette, which these have a retail value of $25. So I thought, oh, that makes sense. You know, the box is $25. You're going to get your money back. Y'all know this is a 5-pan palette. This was gifted to me from Boxycharm, but this is a 5-pan large size palette. So you guys can see the difference as far as that goes. Now, I actually did a dedicated video doing a look over on Instagram as well as over here on our channel, and I have been moving a lot of my makeup looks over to Instagram. You guys know I'm trying to grow my following over there, and the looks, like the makeup looks, seem to do a lot better over there than doing a video over here, because it takes forever. It takes a lot of time to put together makeup looks and then edit it down and all of that stuff to do a video over here. So I'll do some over here, but I push a lot of them over to my Instagram. So make sure you're following me over on Instagram for quick, easy, simple looks as far as that goes. So anyways, like I said, this 5-pan palette is her larger size pans, or larger size palettes, and they have a retail value of like $48 to $50. Now, I know a lot of people have this whole like gossip mail going around saying only the people that are influencers or what have you, or have YouTube channels, are going to be getting this. That's not necessarily the case, and that's all I'm going to say about that. But you guys, I think, are going to be pleasantly surprised with the amount of people that will be receiving this palette, and that's all I'm going to say about that. So this is something that a lot of people are going to be seeing in their base box, and I'm super excited about that, because Natasha Denona formula is, you guys know, one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas out there. I mean, matter of fact, my first ever expensive eyeshadow palette was by Natasha Denona. It was the Star palette. I still have it, and it just makes me so happy. So anyways, there is that. Now the next item we are seeing that is a spoiler for the base box is by Volition Beauty, and I'm probably saying it wrong because my brain is mush and it's still recovering from my allergy attack. But the Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom Water Serum, it does have a retail value of $62. Now, I got to sit in on a Zoom call with this brand, and oh my gosh, this serum is absolutely amazing. I have to read you guys how hydrating this serum is. We actually got to see a demonstration of the serum and the item that is in the serum. So a little information about the serum. It's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier. You guys, I'm telling you, there is the way that this snow mushroom like holds moisture and grabs moisture. If you have like dry skin, or with the crazy winter coming up, whatever it may be, you want to check this out. It's amazing. They actually did give me a coupon code so you guys can save 30%, and it is code CHARM30. Will save you 30% at their website from October 20th to December 8th. So if you guys know about this skincare line, you want to save some money, then there is a 30% off coupon for you guys. Now, personally, I've never tried this skincare brand out before, so I don't know too much about it. I'm still kind of learning, but what I can tell you guys from what I learned from the Zoom call is this serum sounds absolutely amazing. So I can't wait. I'm hoping that this ends up in one of my base box, because you guys do know that I do pay for a base box, so I would love to receive this in a box. It has the feature ingredients of snow mushroom. It delivers hydration to help improve moisture retention. It has marine water, which helps to detoxify skin, reduce shine, and minimize the appearance of pores. It has watermelon and apple extracts. It has excellent sources of vitamin C and A, which visibly brightens the look of the skin. Lentil extract, which is rich in vitamin B5, and that helps to smooth and soothe the skin while helping retain moisture, resulting in the appearance of softer, clearer, firmer looking skin. So I feel like this is going to be great for a lot of people, if not everybody. So I'm excited. Like I said, CHARM30 will save you 30% at checkout if you decide to do a little bit of shopping here or there. I will make sure to leave a link to their website down below. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the premium box. Now again, the premium box is a monthly subscription. It is $35 plus tax, and you do get to customize one item in the box. Now, the two choices that we did have was the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. This had like a click and turn where it dispersed the perfect amount of setting powder for you. It does have a retail value of $39, and I was very intrigued by this. At first, that was my choice for my premium paid for box, and then the more I started looking at the next item, which was by Illamasqua, the Nude Collection Unveiled Artistry Palette, which does have a retail value of $50. Y'all, I waited for it to open back up, and I went in there and I switched my choices, and I was like, I'll just go ahead, since Smashbox powder was in add-ons, I'll just add it on, it'll be fine. It flippin' sold out. So apparently this powder is amazing. You couldn't make the choice for the Illamasqua because that was something that sold back out. But you guys told me like it was back available to do choice, so jump back over, and so I ended up switching my choices. I don't know if it definitely went through or not, but I ended up for my premium box going with the Illamasqua palette because you guys know how much I love eyeshadow palettes. You know, eyeshadows are just my jam. So anyways, that's what I ended up going with for my premium box. And moving over to one other thing I want to talk about, November is also Boxy pop-up month. You guys, this is when we can get 80% off of a ton of high-end products. Like today, I'm playing around with something that was in add-ons, and this is the Natasha Denona Transfer Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. You guys, I have normal to somewhat like combo skin leading towards the dry side, and I have been using the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. This is beautiful. Like, my skin feels nice and hydrated. It doesn't feel like this is like matte and sucking the life out of it. So this was available for $12. It's like a $45 foundation. So this is where I've been kind of picking up some of my foundations. Like, I know the VIB sale at Sephora is coming up, but you guys, I told you guys in the last video I did, I spend more of my money over in the add-ons and the Boxy pop-up because I feel like I get a better deal. So with that being said, I noticed that there's more Natasha Denona showing up in the add-ons. So I'm super excited to see what we see in the Boxy pop-up. Jump over to BoxyLuxe. Now, BoxyLuxe is a subscription, but it is not a monthly subscription. It is a quarterly subscription. It'll cost you $49.99. Now, the month that you receive a BoxyLuxe, you do not receive a base box. So with that being said, we do have a little sneaky peeky as far as that goes, and that is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, which does have a retail value of $85. Now, you guys, this was the first ever lactic acid treatment that I ever used on my skin, and this is amazing. As you guys know, my daughter Haley is 20 years old. She uses this now. It's never too soon, in my opinion, to start a really good skincare regimen, even an anti-aging type of regimen. She uses this on the daily, and we've been seeing more and more Sunday Riley products in our boxes as well as an add-on and pop-up. So we are gonna see in BoxyLuxe Sunday Riley Good Jeans, which again was something we had seen in some of Joe's lives, and when he would do little spoilers and whatnot, we would see the Sunday Riley Good Jeans in the background. So now it's coming to light. We are definitely going to see it in our BoxyLuxe. If you guys are interested in signing up, whether it be for the base box, the premium box, getting on the list for the BoxyLuxe, there's a link down below in my description box, as well as I always put it in the comment section for you guys if you guys want to sign up. If there's any type of coupon codes, I do try and put it down there, but I can never guarantee that those coupon codes are going to be still working for a long amount of time after my video goes up. It's just a way I try and help you guys out to find those coupon codes, but like I said, they don't stay live forever. So if you guys are interested in signing up, I'll leave my link down below. It is an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of a commission, so thank you all in advance for that. And one last thing I wanted to talk about is something that you all actually brought up, and I did not catch this on my personal account. But if you go to your account, you're logged in, and where there's like the top part and it says quizzes, if you click the quizzes, there's now beauty quizzes for beauty, complexion, and hair. So as Joe has told us over and over and over again, it's really important to keep up with our quizzes. Whether you change your hair color, you can now go in there and mark that. So I took my hair quiz today, so make sure to go into your account and make sure your beauty quiz, your complexion quiz, and now your hair quiz is all up to date. So that is all the information I have for you guys today. Like I said, I'm a little rusty because I took a little bit of time off because we went to the pumpkin patch on Sunday and I felt like poo. It is ragweed season. Y'all are probably tired of hearing about it, but your girl was struggling. But I'm all good now, so yay. Anyways, guys, like I said, if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, link will be down below. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram because I'm putting a little simple, you know, makeup over 40 looks over there on Instagram. I'd love to have you guys over there, as well as if you enjoyed this video, help your girl out. Show that algorithm you are interested in sticking around. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know some of you guys have said repeatedly that YouTube has been unsubscribing you guys. I don't know what their deal is. Every so often it's like they do this cleanup and then they unsubscribe people that don't want to be unsubscribed. It's really rude, and it's been happening to me too. So just know you guys aren't the only one that YouTube is messing with. So they're messing with my account too. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. I did change up my time. I've been uploading at 9:15 a.m. Monday through Friday over here Eastern time, and then on the weekends at 9 p.m. And then of course you guys know I pop up extra videos, probably like this video will be, where you get like bonus videos, like 2-in-1 day kind of videos. So there's always something for everyone. I've also been really good and consistent on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, with random Rhonda rambles, chilling in her PJs in the house because I don't really leave too much. So check me out over there. I'd love to have you guys as part of our Hot Mess crew family everywhere. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.